Hello everyone, I am Raef Hachache. Today we're gonna talk about this wonderful laptop. It's a Lenovo Flex 5. It's a 2-in-1 laptop. You can use it as a laptop, and you can also use it as a tablet and take notes. Here is some specs about the laptops. It comes with Intel, and the CPU is i5, the memory is 8 GB RAM, and the storage is 256 SSD. If you want to have a bigger hard disk, I recommend you can put a USB, or you can use an external hard disk or external SSD hard disk. The GPU, it is integrated. The display is 14-inch and it's a IPS display. The battery comes a 3-cell battery, which is good, and the operating system, it's Windows 11 Home. The good thing that it comes with Windows 11, so you don't need to buy Windows 10 a little, upgrade it to Windows 11 and do a lot of download and waste your time. So that's why I like this laptop. Now we're gonna unbox the laptop. I present to you the Lenovo Flex 5. It is a standard 2-in-1 laptop. Now let's ask ourselves, is it worth it? First, the pricing. The pricing, it's a very good according to its specs, and which is a great deal that you will get, including a 14-inch laptop, which is a 1080p display, that it's also IPS, and plus it's a sizable screen with a great view. This laptop also has a touch screen that you can use Lenovo pen or any universal pen to take notes, which is great because you can flip the laptop 360 degrees and use it as a tablet. It has a memory of 256 SSD, which is great. As I said, if you want more, you can use a USB or external hard disk or external SSD. The battery life is very good. Some gotten upward to 12 hours, and some said they can use it for 8 hours. The laptop, it is in 11 Intel generation. The display, it comes IPS. The resolution is 1920 times 1080, and the nits is 250. Nits mean the brightness of the screen. The NTS, it's 45%. The graphics, it comes with Iris X graphics. The storage, as I said, it's 256 GB. The audio, it's good for studying. It comes 2-watt speaker. And the weight, it's about 1.65. Look at the sound. Not bad. Yani it's good.
Oh my God! Start the challenge!
And don't forget that this laptop, it comes with a fingerprint. So if you want to use it as a password, and it's a touch, you can. It comes with 10 fingers to touch, and it has 2 USB 3.1. It has one USB-C, which you charge it, and HDMI cable, and you can use a card reader. It has a card reader which supports SD, MMC, SD-SC and SD-XC. Now I'm gonna charge the laptop by connecting it through USB-C. Wow, look at how it shows on the screen the percentage of the battery. This laptop, it's great for studying. It has everything that you need. It also has a backlight on the keyboard. So if you are studying and there's not a lot of light, you can press this button and it will give a backlight on the keyboard. It has a fingerprint in case you don't want to type a password. Here is when the logo and the computer starts. This is the touch, a finger touch, or you can put a password from the screen when it log on. Believe me, I like this laptop. It's everything that you need to do work. As I said, it comes two USB 3.1. It comes with one USB-C, generation 1 with PD, and this is where you charge the laptop. It comes with a cable HDMI if you want to connect it to a screen, watch a movie in a bigger screen, and it comes 4-in-1 card reader. The camera, you can hide the camera if you are worried about the hackers. You can, it has like a click. You can hide the camera if you don't want anyone to see you, and this is the fingerprint for the password. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.